Achija adek odinnegi atesendo obila marodi kaunti ma Homa Bay tok yedhe mane ni arita gi olal kendo yudi e udi moko e bomano. E apedha manotimo kinyi ma kawuono, obila go noyudo yedhe mopogore opogore ko opande achiel kuom udi mane gitime apedha. Jatend migawo mar thieth e kaunti ma Homa Bay Kevin Osuri ochiwo siem ne jomibadhi ma uso yedhe mowinjo ter e ute thieth ni biro makgi giduto. Osuri bende omedo ni yedhe ma giyudo bech gichopo milionde mag pesa.
We moved in with speed and the police have been very helpful to us. You can see the DCI have swarmed the place. We have so far initially counted at least 145 cartons and much more still being offloaded. So we estimate that they could be in the neighborhoods of more than 200 cartons. So I want to categorically state that these drugs were not stolen from our health facilities. These drugs were stolen on transit to our health facilities from the warehouse in Meds, and they were headed to our health facilities. And of course, as I've explained, they were diverted. I want to send a very strong message that Homa Bay is no longer the place where we will condone theft of medicines or of supplies. That history is behind us, and we will not accept